DC voltmeter, DC voltmeter, DC voltmeter, DC voltmeter, DC voltmeter. Measuring this DC voltmeter is measuring DC voltmeter is measuring the instrument which is used for measuring the measure the DC voltage across any 2 points. Measure the DC voltage across any 2 points of electric circuits. DC voltage across any 2 points of electric circuit. If we place a resistance, if you place a resistance if you place a resistance if you place a resistance if if you place if you consider a DC voltmeter to measuring this to measure to DC voltmeter measuring the instrument which is used to measure the DC voltage across any 2 points of electric circuit. If you place resistance in series with the permanent magnet moving coil of a galvanometer to measuring the current in the circuit, and also then the entire combination together acts as a DC voltmeters. And DC voltmeter is measuring the instrument. DC voltmeter is measuring the instrument which is used to measure the DC voltage across any 2 points. The entire combination together. If we place resistance of the permanent magnet moving coil, PMMC galvanometer to measuring galvanometer, moving coil, galvanometer, then the entire combination together acts as a DC voltmeter. Then the DC voltmeter is measuring the instrument. DC voltmeter is a measuring instrument which is used to measure DC voltage across any 2 points. DC voltage across any 2 points of electric circuit. 2 points of DC voltmeter is measuring the instrument which is used to measure DC voltage across any 2 points of electric circuit. If you place resistance in series with the permanent moving coil PMMC, DC voltmeter is measuring the instrument which is used to measure the DC voltage across any 2 points, 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 across any 2 points of electronic circuits. If we place the resistor in series with the permanent magnet moving coil PMMC galvanometer, then the entire combination together acts as DC voltmeter. Then next slide is going to the measuring the DC voltmeter measurements. Measure the instruments in CRO, measuring the RMS values, current, voltage, and average values. All those things measured by the voltmeter. A series of resistance which is used to DC voltmeter is also called series multiplier resistance. Series multiplier resistance, and simply it is multiplier, and it is basically limits the amount of current that flows through the galvanometer. It basically limits the amount of current that flows through the galvanometer in order to prevent the meter current from exceeding the full scale deflection value. This is the multiplier to measure, and there is a block diagram DC voltmeter in measuring instrument, electronic measuring instrument. The circuit diagram of DC voltmeter as shown in figure. The voltage is there, minus and plus voltage, series of resistance, shunt resistance, ammeter, PMMC, galvanometer, permanent magnet moving coil, and galvanometer. The shunt resistance, Im is the current, Rm is the internal resistance of the meter, Rm, and current in the meter, PMMC. We have to place this DC voltmeter across the 2 points of an electric circuit. We have to place the DC voltmeter across the 2 points of an electric circuit where the DC voltage is to be measured. This is the basically circuit diagram of DC voltmeter as shown in figure given below. Then we have to find out the shunt resistance of the circuit, and the internal resistance of the ammeter will be there in galvanometer. Basically, galvanometer principle is to measuring the current. When we have to do permanent magnet placed in any conductor, the conductor will be rotated in between the magnetic fields, or fixed magnetic fields are induced, then the conductor will be cut by the magnetic fields, then the EMF will be induced in the wire, that is EMF, electromagnetic force, will be induced, then the current that will be added to a series, that will be a uniform scale, that linear scale will be placed, then the needle will be rotating according to the current passing through the needle, that needle will be deflected, that showing the values of current in the circuit. That's why the linearly, this is the PMMC. that internal resistance of Rm and Im is the internal current of meter. Then we have to shunt resistance Rs voltmeter. This is the basically the circuit of the circuit of this DC voltmeter. Then next slide is applying the KVL around the loop circuit given below. We have to find out this circuit applying the KVL around the loop of the above circuit. V E minus Im into shunt resistance minus Im into Rm is equal to 0. Then we have to applying the KVL to the circuit. Voltage minus the current in the shunt resistance Im into Rs and minus Im into Rm is equal to 0. KVL is equal to around the law. KVL is the Kirchhoff voltage law. Algebraic sum of the voltages must be equal to the 0. That we have to applying the KVL circuit, KVL in the circuit. Then we have to get this equation V minus Im into Rs is shunt resistance minus Im into Rm equal to 0. Therefore V minus Im into Rm is equal to Im into Rs is equal to V minus Im into Rm, that is equal to Im into Rs. I find out the shunt resistance, that way Im into Rs is equal to V minus Im into Rm. V minus Im into Rm is equal to Im into shunt resistance. Therefore we have to find out the shunt resistance Rse is equal to V minus Im into Rm, that is equal to Rs. Shunt resistance is equal to V minus Im into Rm. Therefore shunt resistance Vm into Rm, that we have to division by therefore I find out the shunt resistance Rs is equal to V minus Vm by Rm whole division by Im, that is equal to shunt resistance Rs, shunt resistance V is equal to V minus Im by shunt resistance V minus Im into Rm by Im, that is equal to shunt resistance Rse is equal to V minus Im into Rm by Im. Therefore shunt resistance V is equal to Im. We have to multiply this Im, then we have to get the equation V by Im minus Im into Rm by Im gets cancelled. We have to get a shunt resistance in the circuit. Shunt resistance is V division by shunt resistance V division by Im. V shunt resistance is, we have to get RSS is equal to V by Im minus Rm, that is the shunt resistance. Shunt resistance in the circuit is equal to Rse is equal to V by Im minus Rm. Then next slide is going to be next slide. Im into RSS is equal to V by Im minus Rm. Therefore the circuit is KVL and I find out the shunt resistance. And next slide is where the RSS is the series of multiply resistance. series of multiply resistance, series of multiply resistance, series of series of series of it will be a series of series of series of series of series of where RSC is the series of multiplier resistance. V is the full scale range of a DC voltage. V capital V is the full scale, is the full range DC voltage that is to be measured, that is to be measured. Im is the full scale deflection current. Im is the full scale deflection current. Im is the full scale deflection current. Rm is the internal resistance of galvanometer. Rm is the internal resistance of the galvanometer. Series multiplier circuit, and V is the full scale DC voltage that is to be measured. Im is the full scale deflection current. Rm is the internal resistance of the galvanometer. And multiplier factor in the mathematical expression, it can be represented by small m is equal to capital V by Vm. Capital V by Vm. V is the full scale deflection voltage. Vm is the voltage in the meter. Then we will get the following equation of full range DC voltage. Full range of DC voltage that is to be measured. V is equal to Im into RSE plus Im into Rm. Therefore, V is equal to Im into center resistance, Im into Rm. The DC voltage drop across the galvanometer. The voltage drop across the galvanometer. Vm is the product of the full scale deflection current. Vm is the product of the full scale. Vm is the full scale product. Vm is the product of full scale deflection current. Im is the internal resistance, internal current of the meter, and Im and internal resistance of the galvanometer. Rm is the mathematical expression. It can be used as V is equal to Im into Rm. Then voltage across the meter, we have to get the current passing through the meter multiply with the internal resistance of the meter Rm. Vm is equal to Im into Rm. Im into Rm. Then we have to go to the next slide. Multiplication factor. Substitute the equation 4 and equation 5 in equation 3. Multiplication factor small m is equal to Im into RSE plus Im into Rm plus Im into Rm is equal to Im is multiplied center resistance plus Im into Rm plus that m is equal to, we have to get to simplify those equation. Finally expression we want to get center resistance. Finally we have to get the center resistance RSE is equal to Rm into m minus 1. Center resistance RS is equal to Rm into multiplication factor m minus 1. Then we have to go to the next slide. Next we have to find out this multiplication center resistance according to the DC voltmeter. RS is equal to Rm into m minus 1. M is a multiplication factor. Multiplication factor we have to get m minus 1 is equal to multiplication of center resistance by Rm. Then we have to get this RS is equal to division by RM. RS by RM is multiply this equation. We have to get RS is equal to the resistance is equal to RM into M minus 1. Then we have to find out this equation multi-range DC voltmeter. Multi-range DC voltmeter. Multi-range DC voltmeter. We have to this multi-range DC voltmeter. हाँ यार लाइट बंद करना है. DC multimeter वही बंद करना कि बंद करना. Multi-range of DC voltmeter. In previous section we had discussed DC voltmeter, which is obtained by placing multiplier resistance in series with the PMMC galvanometer, permanent moving coil and galvanometer. The DC voltmeter can be used to measure a particular range of DC voltage. DC voltmeter can be used to measure a particular range of DC voltage. And if you want to use the DC voltmeter, if you want to use the DC voltmeter for measuring the DC voltages of multiple ranges, then we have to use multiple parallel multiplier resistors instead of a single multiplier resistors, and this entire combination of resistors is in the series with the PMMC galvanometer, permanent magnet moving coil galvanometer. The circuit diagram of multi-range DC voltmeter as shown figure below. That we have the circuit shows that minus and plus capital V1 of center resistance RSC1, RSC2, RSC3, RSC4, V1, V2, V3, V4. Then we have to connect it to the IM, internal resistance of RM, PMMC galvanometer, IM and PMMC. This is the multi-range of this circuit. Multi-range of the circuit is R1 center resistance RAC1, RAC2, RAC3, RAC4 resistor I have to connect it. There is a rotary switch is there. For input is the DC supply source, and the switch is connected to the different resistors according to rotary switch. First we have to connect it V1, then RAC is connected, then the current is passing through the internal resistance of meter will be showing deflected. The reading will be showing to measuring the circuit. When you have to take the different values of resistance RAC1, RAC2, RAC3 and RAC4. If V1 is connected to the RS1, have to connect the supply current passing through the depending upon the resistance value R1. Depending of the resistance value of R1, RAC1, RAC2, RAC3, RAC4. Then we have to passes through the IM and RM, internal resistance. PMMC is the permanent magnet moving coil. The permanent magnet moving coil RAC1, RAC2, RAC3, RAC4, IM. Therefore we have to get the galvanometer to measuring the current. And next slides, we have to go to the next slide. We have to measuring the multiplication factor. We have to place this multi-range DC voltmeter, multi-range DC voltmeter across the 2 points of an electric circuit, where the DC voltage of required range is to be measured, where the DC voltage of required range is to be measured. We can choose the desired range of voltages. By connecting the switches to the respective multiplier resistance, connecting the switches to the respective multiplier resistor. Let us take this M1, M2, M3 and M4 are the multiplying factors of a DC voltmeter. M1, M2, M3, M4 are multiplication factor of DC voltmeter. Then we consider full range of DC voltages to be measured, as the full range of the DC voltages to be measured as V1, V2, V3 and V1, V2, V3 and V4 respectively. The following are the formula corresponding to each multiplying factors. M1 is equal to V1 by Vm. V1 is the full scale of the first voltage by internal voltage drop across the Vm. Then M2 is equal to Vm by V2 by Vm, and M3 is equal to V3 by Vm, and M4 is equal to V4 by Vm. M1 is equal to V1 by Vm, and M2 is equal to V2 by Vm, M3 is equal to V3 by Vm. In this way we have to find out the multiplication factor. Then we have to go to this. In this above circuit there are 4 series multiplier resistors, that is equal to center resistance RSC1, center resistance RSC2, center resistance RSC3, center resistance. Then we have to center resistance RSC4. The following are the formula corresponding to the 4 resistors. RSC resistance is equal to Rm into multiplication factor M1 minus 1. RSC1 is equal to Rm into multiplication factor M1 minus 1. And similarly we have to get the center resistance when the switch is connected to the V2. Then we have to find out the center resistance in the RSC2 from the DC voltage range circuit. RSC2 is equal to Rm into M2 minus 1. Center resistance RSC2 is equal to Rm into M2 minus 1. Then we have to get the center resistance RSC3. Center resistance RSC3 is equal to the voltage range Rm into M3 minus 1. Therefore we have the center resistance RSC3 is equal to Rm into M3 minus 1. Then center resistance RSC4 is equal to Rm into M4 minus 1. The center resistance RSC4 is equal to Rm into M4 minus 1. So we can find the resistance value of each series multiplier resistor by using the above formula. This is the above formula. We have to get this. Then we have to get this circuit, and we have to go to the next slide. Here the applications of applications of applications applications of DC voltmeter, applications of this application 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 DC voltmeter give the numerical display of voltages. Digital voltmeters give a numerical display of voltage by uses of an analog to digital converter. Digital voltmeter give the numerical display of voltage by using analog to digital converter. Voltmeter instrument voltmeter 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 digital voltmeter give a numerical display of voltages by using to analog to digital converters. Various digital voltmeters or analog to digital converters. There are different types of voltmeters. Flash type of digital voltmeter, ramp type of digital voltmeters, flash type of digital voltmeter, and successive approximation type of digital voltmeters are there. Then we have to go to the voltmeters is an instrument. Voltmeter is an instrument used for measuring electrical potential differences between voltmeter is an instrument used for measuring electrical potential differences between 2 points in an electric circuit. You can measuring the any circuit potential difference between the 2 points. We have to find out the voltmeter in any circuit. Next is analog voltmeters. Analog voltmeters move a pointer across the scale. Analog voltmeters move a pointer across a scale in proportion to the voltage of the circuit. Then digital voltmeters give a numerical display the values. Numerical display the values. This is the way we have to application of the digital voltmeter. Then we have to study then we have to go to this DC voltmeter, and we have to DC voltmeter measuring the instrument which is used for measuring the voltages across any 2 points in an electrical circuit. That is the voltage potential. Any 2 points differences between voltage in two charges are separated by distance to measuring the voltage is called as the voltmeter in the circuit to measure the DC voltage across any 2 points of electrical circuit. If you place a resistor in series with the permanent magnet moving coil, galvanometer, then the entire combination together acts as DC voltmeter. DC voltmeter is measuring the instrument which is used to measure DC voltage across any 2 points of electric circuit. If you place a resistor in series with the permanent magnet moving coil, and galvanometer, then the entire combination together acts as a DC voltmeter. Then we have to go to the next slide. Next slide of this DC voltmeter. Basically, DC voltmeter is a series resistance which is used to DC voltmeter, also called series multiplier resistance or simply multiplier. It basically limits the amount of current that flows through the galvanometer. It basically limits the amount of current that flows through the galvanometer in order to prevent the meter current from exceeding the full scale deflection value. Then the circuit diagram of DC voltmeter as shown in figure. We have to places the DC voltmeter across the 2 points of electrical circuit when DC voltage is to be measured. The circuit is minus plus V voltage, full scale voltage, in series with the resistance Rs, series of resistance with the ammeter that we have to take to the voltmeter. Voltmeter is PMMC, permanent magnet moving coil. PMMC is permanent magnet moving coil on the galvanometer. Therefore, we have to place DC voltmeter across this. The basic diagram of meter. I have to find out the RS shunt resistance and find out this shunt resistance. Then we have to consider applying the KVL around the loop of above circuit. The V minus Im into RSC minus Im into Rm, that is equal to 0, that is equal to V minus Im into shunt resistance RSC minus Im into Rm is equal to 0. Then we have to simplify that circuit. Simplify the circuit equation. Simplifying the circuit of RM circuit, we have to multiplication circuit, we will get a multiplication factor. Multiplication factor of the circuit is 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 multiplication factor of the circuit multiplication factor of the circuit is multiplication factor is multiplication factor of the circuit is multiplication factor of the circuit is multiplication factor of the circuit is used the multiplication factor of the circuit multiplication. I have to find out the RM is equal to RSS is equal to RM into m minus 1 multiplication factor that we have to find out the multiplication factor multiplication factors then we have to utilize this multiplication factors. These we have multiplication factors. This is the way we have to RSS shunt resistance. We have to consider RSS is equal to V by Im minus Rm. Then we have to find out this solution. Then we have to get this RSS is equal to series is the series multiplier resistance. V is the full scale range of voltage that is to be measured. Im is the full scale deflection current. Rm is the internal resistance of galvanometer. Then we have to see that multiplication factor mathematically can be represented by a small m is equal to capital V by V of m. V is the full scale deflection of voltmeter. Vm is the voltmeter reading. We can follow the full range of DC voltage so that it will be measured. V is equal to Im into Rs plus Im into Rm. This DC voltage drop across the galvanometer. Vm is the product of the full scale deflection current. Im is the internal resistance of galvanometer. Rm is the The mathematical equation is Vm is equal to Im into Rm. This is the way we have to find out the multiplication factor. Rs is center resistance. Rs is equal to Rm into m minus 1.